I'm at Complete Marine, Pompano, Florida, and we're going to haul out a Formula 37 cruiser, haul it out for survey. Note this is twin gasoline engines, V8 Mercruiser gasoline engines with inboard outboard IO, Bravo 3, meaning duo props, 2 propellers, and joystick control. And you can see how he's spinning the boat on a dime using the 2 inboard outboards with the joystick. I'm standing next to the boat on my right, and I do not feel the wind, but it's obvious the wind grabbed him. I'd been a little confusion. Maybe he was going to come in stern first, but the travel lift operator wanted him to come in bow first, which is usually the tradition, except for some sailboats. Sailboats may have to go in stern first. And that has to do with the aft stay or the forward stay holding the mast up on the sailboat. So here we go. You just saw him do a 360. And I'm going to walk to the left and hope I don't trip. Trip hazard, second trip hazard. Okay, I'm down. So you can watch him come in the well. Again, there's a little wind over to my right, his port. That's why he's angled over there to the side. I don't know the purpose of that bucket. Probably some scientific reason. I'll find out after we get the boat hauled up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh well, that wasn't good.
Why are we using the joystick? You're fucking up the whole boat.
Oh well.
Neutral! Neutral! Don't do anything!
Let's go get that anchor off.
Shut it off! Don't do anything! Don't do anything! Shut it off! Shut it off! Jesus Christ, everybody got that on video?
Yeah, we did. Hopefully we don't have anybody's names. Okay, the end. We'll talk later.
The anchor is caught, sir. The anchor is caught.
I'll go over there and help him lift up the bow of the boat.